Okay, so good day, everyone. So again, this is Miss Jazz, your teacher physical education. Okay, so for today, we're going to discuss again a new lesson. Okay, so what is this lesson? Okay, the title of this lesson is Family Fit or Family Fit Fitness Plan. Okay, di ba? We already talked about fit last year, right? So today we're just going to know some important information about this Family Fit Fitness Plan. Okay, so again, this is for your PE or physical education subject. And again, I am Miss Jasmine Milea P. Alfonso, your teacher in PE. Okay. So now let us define first what is physical activity. So in our life, we have different kinds of physical activities, right? So when we say physical activities, it refers to the activity that involves the contraction of muscles like gardening, walking, climbing, and many more. So it means that when we say physical activity, you are using your muscles, your strength on this kind of activity, okay? Next, the difference of physical activity to physical fitness is this one. Set of goals that people have or achieve that relate to their ability to perform a physical activity. Okay, so on this physical fitness, you have a goal. Okay, you have a goal that you want to achieve. For example, you are doing this physical activity because you want, or this physical fitness because you want to lose weight. Okay, that is a goal. That is physical fitness. And at the same time, you also perform a physical activity to achieve the goal for that physical fitness. Okay? Okay, next. Now, there is also levels of physical activity. What are these? First, we have here light intensity activity. When we say light intensity activity, it involves just walking slowly or just gardening. Okay, a very light activity. Next, second, we have moderate intensity activity. What is moderate intensity activity? Now, this involves walking briskly, playing leisure sports. So when we say walking briskly, it's not too fast, it's not too slow. Okay? So, an average way of walking, okay? And also playing leisure sports, maybe like badminton, like that, okay? Simple sports. Okay, next. We also have vigorous activity, and these are jogging, running, playing competitive sports. Okay, so this vigorous activity are what we call the intense, okay, the most intense one. So because you are doing big movements, you are playing competitive sports that needs lots of strength. Okay, so that is vigorous activity. So according also for the information of everyone, so adults needs 30 minutes of moderate intensity physical activity, okay, in 3 or more days a week. Okay, don't forget that again, adults needs 30 minutes of moderate intensity physical activity in 3 or more days a week. Okay, while children need 60 minutes. Okay, but maybe on one children or adolescents. Okay, because they have more energy. Okay. Next, what is the importance of regular physical activity? So the importance of regular physical activity is this one. So it reduces the risk of corona disease. Okay, it reduces the risk of colon cancer, diabetes, high blood pressure, and stroke. So those are different diseases, okay, that we can have in the future if we will not stay fit or we will not do physical fitness. Also, it reduces symptoms of anxiety and depression. It controls body weight and maintains healthy bones, muscles, and joints. Okay, so promoting safety before doing physical activities. So why do we promote safety before doing physical activities? Because it will help us to be more safe and be more healthy. Okay, so first you need to consult a physician. Are you good on what intensity of or level of intensity of physical activity? Okay, you must know that. So that you can be able to avoid over fatigue or any other what do they call this problems, okay, in times of physical fitness or activities. Second, teach family members on the importance of monitoring the intensity of physical activity. That's very important for you to be able to share it with your family members so that everyone is healthy. Okay. Next, stay within the target heart rate zone. Why you need to stay on the target heart rate zone? Because it might affect your heart. Okay, if you will not, okay, if you will not stay within the target heart rate zone. Number four, dress appropriately with fit and comfort, of course. Okay, you cannot have physical activities or physical fitness if you're wearing a dress. Okay, you must wear like t-shirt, sports bra, leggings, shorts, cotton shorts that is more comfortable, rubber shoes like that. Number five, always do a warm-up exercise for 3 to 5 minutes with light intensity. That's very important. Okay. Also, start slowly and gradually increase frequency, intensity, time, type, and fit. That is fit. So you need to start from the very slowly first so that your body can be in condition muna. Okay. And also drink plenty of water. Water is very important in for our health. Okay, we need to have our body be liquefied. Okay, be it's important that we have lots of liquid. Okay, next. So physical activity pyramid. This is the last part of this lesson. Okay, as you can see, those are the different activities. Okay, that you can do every day, 3 to 5 times a week, 2 to 3 times a week. Okay, and on some of your short periods of time. Okay, so every day, like take the stairs instead of the elevator, do work around the house or yard, drink plenty of water, walk or bike to get where you need to go, walk or take your pet on a bath, get outside and be active. Okay, also we have 3 times a week like aerobics, recreational activities like that. Biking, swimming, dancing, basketball, soccer, volleyball. 2 to 3 times a week, leisure activities like reading, gardening, house cleaning. Strength and flexibility like stretching, push-ups, pull-ups, martial arts. And for the cut down, you can have TV watching, video and computer games, sitting still for long periods of time. Okay? Don't forget those. Okay, so do you have questions? Okay, if you don't have questions, let's go now on our review activity. So kindly get your whiteboard and marker. Let's answer the following. So listen carefully to your teacher. Write only the letter of the correct answer. So first, refers to the activity that involves the contraction of muscles like gardening, walking, climbing, and many more. What is this? A, physical activity. B, physical fitness. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, the answer is letter A, physical activity. Number two, set of goals that people have or achieve that relate to their ability to perform a physical activity. A, physical activity. B, physical fitness. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What's the answer? Okay, it's letter B, physical fitness. Okay, number three, walking briskly, playing leisure sports. A, light intensity. B, moderate intensity. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What's your answer? It's letter B, moderate intensity. Next, jogging, running, sorry, it's playing, okay, playing competitive sports. A, vigorous activity. B, light intensity. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What's the answer? Yes, it's letter A. Okay, next. Walking slowly, gardening. A, light intensity. B, moderate intensity. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What's the answer? Yes, it's letter A. So if you're getting almost correct answers, the answers, that's very good. If not, it's okay. You still have time to review. Next, 60 minutes of moderate intensity physical activity daily. So it's not mentioned on the slide, but I mentioned it a while ago. A, children and adolescent. B, adult. If you still remember it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, the answer is letter A. Children and adolescent is the answer. 30 minutes of moderate intensity physical activity in 3 or more days a week. Okay. So A, children and adolescent. B, adult. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What's the correct answer? Yes, it's adult. Okay, now write check or X if the following describes the importance of regular physical activity. Let's go. Ready? Reduces the risk of colon cancer, diabetes, high blood pressure, and stroke. Let's check. Next, reduces symptoms of anxiety and depression. Check. Number 10, high risk of coronary disease. X. Okay, it's X. 11, controls body weight and maintains healthy bones, muscles, and joints. Yes, it's check. Very good. Okay, again, write check or X if it promotes safety before doing physical activities. Consult a physician. Check or X. Check. Teach family members on the importance of monitoring the intensity of physical activity. Check. Don't stay within the target heart rate zones. Check or X. Yes, it's X. Number 15. Dress appropriately with fit and comfort. Correct. It's check. Okay. So we're done. Okay. So you can pause this video, okay, for your module activity time. Okay. So please answer review activity number 1, page 20 to 21 for 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, then if you're done with your module activity number 1, okay, reminders, okay, kindly check the announcement of your teacher or Miss Jazz on your GC for the things that you need to answer for your asynchronous class in PE, okay? So I think it's time for me to say goodbye, class, and I hope to see you again next meeting, okay? So bye! I hope you learned something today.